Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the coolant level of your Suzuki Swift. Open the car hood and have a look on the right side if you're standing in front of your car. Uncover this box. Inside this box, there it is, the coolant of your engine. Now use the device and dip it inside the tank. Now push the ball on the right side to suck a little bit of coolant liquid inside your machine, and there it is, minus 21 degrees Celsius. This is the coolant level of your car in this moment. Check this once a year before the winter time. After you checked it, push the ball back, or not push the ball, and then push the liquid back inside the tank. After this, reassemble the cover of the tank and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. Soon.